In the Buddhist culture, there is a mountain in the center of the universe where Buddha and other gods live, and the sun and the moon circle around. It's called Sumru Mountain. In Chinese, it's Xunmishan, and it's where I am standing now. It's located in Yuanzhou district of Guyuan City in northwest China's Ningxia-Hui Autonomous Region. The Xunmishan grottos were initially built in the late period of the Northern Wei dynasty around 1,500 years ago, and were further developed during the Northern Zhou and Tang dynasties in the centuries after that. It's among the top 10 grottos in China. The red cliffs of Xunmishan are adorned with 162 caves and more than 1,000 statues, along a main stretch of the ancient Silk Road. There are also mural paintings totaling 185 square meters in some caves here. The altitude of the highest peak here is more than 2,000 meters, but the height didn't stop our ancestors from digging and carving on these red cliffs. On this slope, we can see some narrow steps. They are not for tourists to walk on, but for craftsmen hundreds of years ago to do their creative and hard work. Here we are arriving at cave number 1. The Buddha is as high as 4.85 meters, and it was carved at the end of Sui dynasty and at the beginning of Tang dynasty. And there we can see a piece of mural paintings which were painted in Song and Yuan dynasties. It was named a Thousand Buddha pattern, but due to natural weathering, there was only one piece left. In 1982, the Xunmishan Grottos was listed as a key state-level cultural site, and nowadays people have the awareness to protect the cultural relics, since their lives are daily improving thanks to the country's poverty alleviation campaign and emphasis on cultural relics protection.